Best laptops for video editing. As digital content creation continues to grow, video editing has become a key part of modern media production. From vloggers and filmmakers to students and professionals, everyone needs a reliable laptop that can handle editing software smoothly. The best laptops for video editing balance processing power, display quality, storage speed, and overall value. In this guide, we evaluate the top models that deliver great editing performance across different price ranges, ensuring you get the most from your creative workflow. Product number 1. Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch laptop with M4 chip, built for Apple intelligence. The Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch with the M4 chip is a masterpiece of power and portability. Designed with Apple's new M4 architecture, this laptop handles 4K and even 8K editing with ease, offering smooth playback and lightning-fast exports. Its vibrant liquid retina display produces exceptional color accuracy, perfect for professionals who demand precision in their video work. Despite its ultra-slim design, the MacBook Air runs cool and quiet, ideal for long editing sessions. With a battery life that lasts up to 18 hours, you can confidently edit on the go without needing a charger. The seamless integration with Mac OS and optimized creative apps like Final Cut Pro and Adobe Premiere Pro make this laptop a true powerhouse for video editors seeking efficiency and brilliance in one sleek package. Product number 2, HP 14 laptop, Intel Celeron N4020. The HP 14 laptop featuring the Intel Celeron N4020 processor is an affordable yet capable option for beginners and casual editors. Its compact 14-inch design makes it lightweight and portable, while the bright HD display delivers crisp visuals for basic video trimming and editing. With 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB eMMC storage, it's designed for light editing workloads, ideal for YouTubers or students learning video editing fundamentals. It's not meant for 4K rendering, but for 720p or 1080p projects, it performs smoothly. The battery life is dependable, lasting through long work sessions, and Windows 11 provides a modern interface for popular editing software. If you're looking for a simple, budget-friendly laptop to start your video editing journey, the HP 14 offers solid reliability at an excellent price. Product number 3, Asus 14-inch FHD laptop, Intel Pentium N6000 processor. The Asus 14-inch FHD laptop with an Intel Pentium N6000 processor strikes a perfect balance between affordability and performance. Its full HD display is a highlight, offering sharp detail and accurate colors that help editors see every frame clearly. The slim, durable chassis adds to its portability, making it suitable for creators on the move. Powered by the efficient quad-core Pentium N6000 processor and integrated graphics, it can handle 1080p editing projects and light rendering tasks effectively. The responsive keyboard and ample battery life make it a comfortable companion for productivity and creative work alike. While it may not support heavy 4K editing, it's a dependable mid-tier choice for hobbyists or part-time video creators looking for reliable performance at a modest price point. Product number 4, HP Chromebook 14 laptop, Intel Celeron N4120. The HP Chromebook 14 is an excellent choice for users who prefer cloud-based video editing platforms. With its Intel Celeron N4120 processor and Chrome OS operating system, it delivers smooth performance for online editing tools like Clipchamp, WeVideo, and Canva. The 14-inch HD display offers good brightness and clarity for reviewing footage, while the lightweight build enhances portability. This Chromebook isn't designed for heavy desktop editing applications, but excels for quick social media content, vlog compilation, or travel editing.
Battery life is another strong point, lasting up to 13 hours for uninterrupted workflow. Ideal for creators who value simplicity, mobility, and affordability, the HP Chromebook 14 is a dependable travel companion for light editing tasks on the go.
Product number 5. HP 14-inch HD laptop, Windows 11, Intel Celeron dual-core processor up to 2.60 GHz. The HP 14-inch HD laptop with Intel's Celeron dual-core processor offers everyday performance suited for beginner editors. Running on Windows 11, it provides access to popular editing apps like Filmora, Shotcut, and Adobe Premiere Elements. The dual-core processor, combined with energy-efficient components, ensures smooth playback and moderate rendering speeds for 1080p projects. Its compact build and long-lasting battery make it great for remote work or travel. While it may not be powerful enough for large-scale professional editing, it's perfect for students and entry-level creators experimenting with video production. With a balance of cost efficiency, functionality, and usability, this HP 14-inch laptop delivers solid value for new editors seeking a dependable starter device.